All right, fellow farmers, or loggers as it would be in this case. I figured I'll give y'all a little tour of my operation. So this is the main sawmill, as you can see on the map. It's my chip truck. I love my chip truck. It took me like 5 minutes to get them all hooked up. Really wasn't that difficult. And it snakes like no other. It's awesome. This is the fuel station in the shop. I've got a couple random things laying around. So I got a dual joystick setup I'm getting this weekend, and then that will work, I hope. I can get everything on it to work except for, of course, the claw in the back. So we'll head over here to my chip operation. Yeah, I like to do trains. Makes it easier. I play a lot of single player. So I've cleared out a pretty good spot. I just cut them down and use the processor and cut them direct into either the chipper or I'll cut them direct onto a truck. Normally I've got a big pile of chips, but I was loading a truck with long logs, well, 4.5 lengths, to do that one. So we'll come back through here. I've only got 2 sites set up, so this will be a rather short video. I love this little Toyota. Whoa! There's the map. You can see where the majority of my stuff is concentrated. And I'm working on loading this one. So this is kind of a test. That's why it's all messed up and funny loaded. But yeah, I went a little crazy and just went cutting lengths with the Scorpion King. That was before I had practice with the processor. So now I've got to figure out how to get up here and pick all this crap up. Hooray! I think that's about it. Oof. It's a logging truck. Whatever. A little bit of damage. Ain't gonna hurt. So yeah, that's my logging operation. I wasn't gonna spend the 20 minutes it would take to show you all the whole map, but yeah. So I'm just gonna get back here, and other loggers are always welcome, by the way. So there you go. Hope y'all enjoyed it.